The Shwedagon Pagoda is a Buddhist temple in Yangon, Myanmar, in Southeast Asia. It is considered one of the oldest pagodas in the world. This temple is an important Buddhist monument, with a long history that is surrounded by legends. A pagoda is a type of temple, usually consisting of a tower with multiple levels. Shwedagon is actually a stupa, which is a sacred Buddhist structure in the shape of a bell. According to archaeologists and scholars, the Shwedagon Pagoda was built by the Mon people, an ethnic group from Myanmar. Construction is believed to have started in the 6th century. The initial structure was much lower than the current one. This shrine has undergone several modifications throughout the years. Since the 15th century, the temple complex has grown with the addition of secondary structures, shrines, and other monuments. There is a legend behind the origins of the pagoda. It says that Taphassa and Balika were two brothers who met Buddha and were given 8 of his hairs. The brothers found a place where 3 other relics from previous Buddha were stored. There, they decided to store the hairs in a golden casket. That place became the Shwedagon Pagoda.